स्टार्ट, अभी 4-5 लोग ही आए हैं।
हाँ, थोड़ी देर के बाद।
8 लोग हैं ना, अभी मत करो प्लीज, बिकॉज अभी थोड़ा सा माहौल बना, इफ यू डोंट माइंड।
हाँ, ठीक है, ठीक है।
थोड़ा
सर,
मस्ती
मैंने
उस्ती कर
माइंड
लेते
तो
हैं।
बिल्कुल नहीं करती, बट एक्चुअली उससे पहले क्लिक हो गया था रिकॉर्डिंग।
नहीं, एक्चुअली मैंने ऐसे करके आंख दिखाई ना, सुगंधी मैम जैसी वाली करके, तो मैं कहा यार ये तो गड़बड़ हो जाए, देखो दिखा रहे हैं।
राजेश सर बहुत अच्छे लग रहे हो।
अरे बाप रे, आज तो सब लूट ले जाएंगे इनको। तो गाने सुना दो, झुमका गिरा रे। देखो,
Anyone can play the song till the time?
यू आर प्लेइंग ना मैम, अभी आप ही का। आप
Okay.
साहिल साहब थे,
वो
ओके।
एक्चुअली दूसरे डिवाइस से प्ले करना होगा, तो इफ एनीबडी हैज लाइक मोबाइल नेक्स्ट टू देम, लेट मी ट्राई।
राकेश राठौर join, good.
Which song shall we go with?
झुमका गिरा रे बरेली की माँ, पतंजलि।
सृजिता, ग्रुप में एक बार आप मैसेज कर दो सबको, सो दैट दे कैन जॉइन दिस सेशन। इट्स ऑलरेडी 8:40।
राकेश, आप भी मैसेज कर दो सबको जरा एक बार।
यस, एंड हियर इट कम्स,
राकेश,
झुमका
हाँ
गिरा
जी।
रे।
झुमका गिरा रे, हाय झुमका गिरा रे, बरेली के बाजार में झुमका गिरा रे, बरेली के बाजार में झुमका गिरा, झुमका गिरा, झुमका गिरा, हाय 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 झुमका गिरा रे, बरेली के बाजार में झुमका गिरा रे। सैया आए नैन झुकाए घर में चोरी चोरी।
मूर्ति सर, थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग।
घर में चोरी चोरी, बोले झुमका मैं पहना दूं, आजा बाकी छोरी। मैं बोली ना 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 बाबा, ना कर चोरा चोरी। लाख चुराया सैया ने, कलैया नहीं छोड़ी, हाय कलैया नहीं छोड़ी।
फिर क्या हुआ?
फिर झुमका गिरा रे, हम दोनों की तकरार में झुमका गिरा रे, बरेली के बाजार में झुमका गिरा रे। घर की छत पे मैं खड़ी, गली में दिल पर जानी। घर की छत पे मैं खड़ी, गली में दिल पर जानी। हंस के बोले नीचे आ, अब नीचे आ दीवानी। या अंगूठी फेंक अपनी, या छल्ला दे निशानी। घर की छत पे खड़े खड़े मैं छुई शुरू मैं हुई शर्म से पानी।
फिर क्या हुआ?
सैया फिर झुमका गिरा रे, हम दोनों के इस प्यार में झुमका गिरा रे, बरेली के बाजार में झुमका गिरा रे।
Sir, are you getting my screen?
Yes, I'm able to see your screen.
Yeah.
बगिया में बलमा ने मेरी टटोल सी सुलझाई, बगिया में बलमा ने मेरी टटोल सी सुलझाई, थाम के आंचल बोले गोरी तू मेरे मन भाई, आँख चुका के कुछ ना बोले, हाय हाय, आँख चुका के कुछ ना बोले, धीरे से मुस्काई, सैया ने जब छेड़ा मुझको हो गई हाथापाई, ओए हो गई हाथापाई।
तो फिर क्या हुआ?
फिर झुमका गिरा रे, मैं क्या बोलूं बेकार में, झुमका गिरा रे, बरेली के बाजार में।
All right, so Jai Hind everyone. Welcome you all. And Srijita, if you can hear me, so please take over.
Jay.
Yes, over to Srijita. Thank you so much.
Jai Hind, everyone. Can you hear Shipra? Or shall we wait for participants?
Requesting everyone, please mute yourself. Humble request to each and everyone. Please mute yourself. Thank you.
Shipra, can we go ahead?
Yes, I guess, Rajita, we should start. It's 8:45.
Yeah. Jai Hind, everyone. I welcome a warm welcome to everyone to this wonderful family of Soul, School of Universal Leadership and Learning. It is a group of like-minded people started by Mr. Sahil Sahor, a visionary, and he's into making of a factory of leaders, trendsetters, and achievers. He believes in motivating and setting the ground for serving humanity and serving the nation. He believes that Deshbhakti is not about singing patriotic songs or listening to patriotic songs on Independence Day or on Republic Day, but he believes in building our strength and contributing to our country and to the nation, and by helping each other. So it's been a pleasure being associated with Sahil Sahor and Soul. And now I welcome Mr. Pramod Kumar Rajput ji, who is the Senior Vice President at Cadila Pharmaceuticals, to introduce our speaker of the day. Over to you, Pramod ji.
Thank you, Srijita ma'am, and a very, very good evening and Jai Hind to all the viewers who have joined us on this very wonderful platform of the Soul Group, which has been started by one of the very leading personality by the name Mr. Sahil Sahor. And I also thank Madam Shipra Kukreja, who is the lieutenant of this entire group, who is taking the lead to make the things happen. We are very happy and we are very blessed to have such an eminent personalities which are here in this particular group, who are making a lot of noise in their own field, and at the same time they always willing to learn more to make the things more. So we have one of the very humble personality, by the name of Dr. Rajesh Arora, right? And he is very humble, very cute, very handsome. You can see his handsomeness when you will see him, and is very down to earth. More to it, he's going to speak on importance of being grounded. So which we always say, what we preach, we practice it. And he's a live example of it, who keeps on preaching it, and he keeps on practicing it. So that is there. And now may I request Dr. Rajesh to have the second slide. I'm very excited to talk about Dr. Rajesh in 2 more minutes. Dr.
No,
Rajesh.
actually, my second slide is not about me. I have skipped because I am a learner. I'm very sorry for that.
Okay, so Dr. Rajesh has skipped that slide, but only for the sake of all my good people who have joined here, I like to highlight some of the very, very important thing about Dr. Rajesh, which is very, very important. Just a minute, give me 1 minute of time, because I will not be able to justify this beautiful way of the meeting, because unless until I'll not say, just a minute, please. So this gentleman who is so ground to earth, he is basically, he keeps on learning only. That's why he said he's a learner. He started his thing with diploma in electrical engineering, technical and electric engineering from Delhi College. Then he did masters also on the power apparatus. Then after that, he did PhD also in designing and grounding system. Not only this, he did MBA in 3 different subjects. So he keeps on reading in HR, financial management, and accredited energies auditor and manager. And he's basically a chartered engineer, fellow of IOV, member of CIGRE. CIGR is basically a Persian term which is there, which is basically from abroad. He's a guest faculty of CBIP and NPTI. More than 10 publications on grounding, designing of AIS and GIS substations, diagnostic testing of power transformers at national and international seminars. He has ample of the contribution given for the review of CBIP manual of earthing. He has attended the training of GIS in South Korea. Hobbies, enormous. Learning since 1993. It is there since on. You will not believe, my dear friends who are listening, that since 1993, when he came to the job, he started investing 10% of his earning. I remember he told me one day, to me and to my son, when we are just talking to him, that his first salary was 1,500 rupees. I'm so sorry, Rajeshji, I'm sure you are not going to mind, but it is a matter of great pride that 10% of that during that time, he has started investing. Until today, he keep on investing. On communication, he has read more than 25 books. And today, again, some new achievement has come in his credit. So there are lot many things are there, and which I don't want to take out the cat from my bag. So I will hand it over to my dearest, lovable person, Dr. Rajesh Arora, for the future take-up. With this, thank you so much once again for giving me an opportunity to moderate this beautiful session for such a wonderful personality. Thank you so much. All over to Dr. Rajesh ji.
Jai Hind.
Jai
First
Hind.
of all, yeah, we should have energy, because I always say I am an electrical person. I talk about energy, and without energy, I don't like to be speaker. Please show the energy you have. Jai Hind.
Jai Hind.
Jai Hind.
Wow.
Jai Hind.
Jai Hind.
Jai Hind.
Great. Coming to the point. You know, there are 5 things in our life. First is God. Second is blessings. Third is pain. Fourth is soul. And fifth is electricity that you can't see. You can only feel. This makes the things to happen, but you can't see directly. Intangible things are there. Similarly, we are here on the Sol Group and RSR brand. I am going to explain what RSR brand is, and you will be happy to understand the meaning of that RSR brand. This is Rajesh Sahil Rajput, and it has meaning. I am going to explain. I will be failing in my duty and always start my present everywhere I go with thanks to my parents, Almighty, my family, my mentors. The list is very long. Murthy Saab, PPY Saab, my good friend Saket, Sahil sir, Rajput sir. And I will be again failing in my duty. I forget the name of the 4 powerful lady pillar of this group. That is D3S, Deepa ma'am, Shipra, Sujita, and Sugandhi. Marvelous. Hats off. Hats off to all these 4 pillars. In our group, Hardeep ji is there, Sukh ji is there, Anu sir, who is always talking about how to earn money. I have also talked about my share in 1 crore rupees, and Yogesh sir is there, who talk about how to control your mind. Great. Finally, Sahil sir, Rajput sir, with your permission, I would like to move forward, and if you allow, I should. Should I move?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Why am I here? It's a big question. I am electrical engineer. This is Sol Group, but I am here with a reason. Electricity is directly connected with you, and being grounded is very important. Whether it's a electrical system or your life system, how? I am going to explain. In the last session of Ajay sir, there was very beautiful word, one day or day one. Similarly, when we talk about life, we have 2 options. You are living with your parents, or your parents are living with you. Very important point. I always say, my parents are not living with me. I am living with them. I am here because of them. This is the difference of mindset. When you start thinking like that, the life will be different, and it will bring a change. I assure you, it will definitely bring a change. Because what happens? It's a very beautiful quote. A boy asked his mom, how will I be able to find the right woman for me? The mom answered patiently, don't worry about finding the right woman. Concentrate on becoming the right man first. And we have to do that thing. Yes, we have to do that thing. When we talk about learning, grace, and grace, I do believe in grace. I have made a video on that subject. The people are in the competition. I should earn more, I should gain more, I should get more appreciation. But when this race is combined with the grace of your mentors, your elders, your well-wishers, that becomes grace. With grace, you can achieve whatever you want in your life, and always try to be a learner, because learner is nothing. It is learning earner. Always learning, earning the learning in your life. When you say you are expert, if you see at expert word, it is basically combination of 2 things, experience and RT, repetition of task. When you are keep on doing the same thing, you become expert. Finally, learn it versus learner. You know what a basic difference between the 2? D and R. One has already developed, and second is doing research how to develop. This is the only difference. But you have to keep in mind, every learned person at once was a learner. It's a step. It's a step towards journey from learner to learned. And every journey starts with a single step. What life is all about? We are like this frog in the well. And that well is of cream. And how to come out? That cream should be converted into butter. And how it is possible? It is possible, you just keep on paddling. I assure you that when you keep on paddling, that cream is going to convert it into butter. And that butter being the solid, you can be able to come out of that problems from the well. And you will be ready for this work. Keep on paddling. Never give it up. Never give up. keep on paddling. When you say your storms are only temporary, you have to understand, but blessings of God are forever. Blessings of your mentors are forever. They are with you. You have to do something. Think about it. Don't discourage because of the storms in your life. Some storms help you. They are there to clean the way. They give you blessings. That is called blessings in disguise. Coming back to my subject, now we have to understand. I am trying to link grounding of electricity and the grounding in the life. What electricity is? Electricity is basically function of three persons: voltage, amperes, and ohm. This voltage is pushing that ampere to go, but that ohm is creating problem. It is not allowing that amperes to go out of that hole. Where the voltage is pushing up, that pusher is Sahil sir and Rajput sir, and that ampere is myself, foolish Rajesh Arora. And that ohm is nothing, it is the public who never want me to go out. But this voltage, Sahil sir and Rajput sir, pushing very hard. Rajesh, just go out. And definitely, I will be able to overcome that resistance by public. You know what is the problem? सबसे बड़ा है रोग क्या कहेंगे लोग. We have to come out of that thing. You have to do what you want to do in your life. Otherwise, you will be affected by this ohm. You won't be able to go out of that hole, despite very good effort by your mentor Sahil sir and Rajput. He is working as a voltage. Every day, 30 Indian people are being killed because of electrocution. That is known to everyone. But when you are not being grounded in your life, it is killing crores of people every day because of ego. Their egos always dominate their mind. I am the best. You are the best. It's a good thing. But never forget to respect others. You will have to. दिल नहीं दुखाना किसी का. दिल किसी का दुखाना नहीं, वो रो देगा. याद रख ले बंदे, तू अपने आप को जड़ से खो देगा. You will be at the ground. Never hurt anyone. Work in your direction. You will definitely get success. No one can stop you. Here, what happens whenever some fire happens, we start blaming short circuit. Similarly, in our life, when something happens wrong, we blame many things. I could not do because on that day I was still, my preparation was not good. I was not supported by my mentor. I was not supported by my family. Excuses are more. But you have to avoid that short circuit happening inside you. Just come out of that short circuit and work towards your direction. Electrocutions are killing persons in the rainy season. These are being killed because these poles are not properly grounded. Similarly, in your life, if you are not grounded, you are going to kill. It is bound to happen and you will be killed by this unearthed system. Unearth will be there. Mind it. Keep yourself at ground. At the same time, start working positively. Even not only human being, not properly grounding system may kill animals also. It is applicable for all universe. Being humble, being grounded is very important. Very, very important. This is very important to understand for your family, for everyone. Only 1 milliampere of current start giving you the threshold of perception. You start feeling something is happening. And at 60 to 100 milliampere, ventricular fibrillation start, that is heart attack. Be careful and keep in mind only one simple thing, ABC. You should not forget. ABC means always be careful. Careful in your life against safety, against electricity shock, against your enemy, against your ego, against anything that may create problem in your progress. Always be careful. ABC. It is very important. What happens when patient is there in the ambulance? You always give way to ambulance to save lives. Similarly, in electrical systems, we have to give way to the faulty system to go back to the source. And in life, when you are in trouble, allow yourself to go to the source. That source is your mentor. Try to reach to your mentor as early as possible, because only that can save you. And what is the role of ambulance here? Ambulance is your quick decision. When you feel you are in trouble, take decisions. Who should I consult? How to go? Where to go? Because I have to find a solution. And that solution is available with your mentors only. No other one can give you that solutions. Patients feeling sad because he is not able to reach, because what happens when you are not getting the proper help, proper advice, the end is very simple, death, failure. If you really want to get success, always follow the path, always follow the teachings, always follow the advice given by your mentor. Definitely that helps. That mentor may be anyone. Be careful. And I tried my level best to create analogy of electrical systems with a life. I may fail. I am not sure. But I am sure about one thing. Being a learner, I always have win-win situation. I have nothing to lose. I will either get success or I will get more experience again. That's why I'm very happy. I'm very passionate because I am learner. Electric shock we know, but sometimes we get shocks in the ambience we are living in. Make yourself so insulated that no one can give you any shock in your life. Have you seen any elephant moving on the road? He's moving like that. He never worries what the barking dog thinks about him. They are barking, but he is moving like that. That should be the objective. That electric shock, public shock should not deter your path. Keep going on. No one can stop yourself because only you yourself are responsible. If you don't allow anyone to disturb you, no other one can disturb you. I am sure about it. Quite sure about it. Apart from that, apart from some lightning discharge impacts, and that lightning impact in your life is some unforeseen circumstances like Corona. no one in this world even imagined in their dream that they may happen. That is not less than lightning discharge. But with our courage, with proper arrangement, with our determination, we will be able to pass through that phase. We can. We talk about safety, very important thing. What is the most important thing in your life you can't live without? Please write down the answer in the chat box. Many people who have already attended my session know the answer. Rajput sir, can you read what the people have written?
So one person has written mental peace, one person has written good health, one of the person has written my son, and one person has written air, one person has written breath, one person has written love,
Okay, but these all answers are totally wrong.
and one person has written health.
It is important, but in the present scenario, I am giving the answer. Your mobile. Every time you are chatting, you are on LinkedIn, you are on Facebook, you go to bed, you open your mobile. The moment you get up, you open your mobile. You are doing your every work online. But who is running this mobile? Charger. And charger is very important in your life also. Are you charging yourself? And now you have two options. Either you purchase local charger or purchase some company charger. Company chargers ensure the safety. Similarly, company charger means a good mentor that will help you to charge properly. You have to charge yourself. Otherwise, like your mobile, in the morning you won't be able to work. You won't be able to perform you are meant for. Who will you blame? Be careful. And when you are going to market and you are purchasing any charger, it's very important point to discuss here. There is square in square, one symbol is there. Rajput sir, can you see?
Yes.
That ensures the safety. That means double insulation is there, and that will never allow you to, that never allow the faulty current to flow through your body, and you won't get any shock. Very important. When you are purchasing any charger, that symbol must be looked upon. Similarly, double insulation to be provided to your thought, so that that thought of your determination, dedication should not be punctured by outer thought, and you remain intact always. Very important point. I have shown that class 2. Always keep in mind good mentor and class 2 symbol. Always help. Always try to avoid short circuit of your mind. Provide good, very good insulation. Overloading. Never overload your mind also. When you are overloading the same socket with so many instruments, when you want yourself to attend Sahil sir, at the same time you want to do something else, you want to get pitch of third, fourth, it is not going to help. Your mind will be overloaded, because every mind has certain capacity to absorb. You have to be careful. Avoid that kind of situation in your life. Otherwise, all gadgets stop working. and there will be fire. Safety in the swimming pool. You must be going with your children for swimming pool. Are you taking full precautions? We usually do take. We ask that guide, that coach, what is the level of water? What is the level, so that you doubly ensure whether where you are sending your children or yourself in the swimming pool, that should be safe. Similarly, you have to be very safe and keep the remote control of your life in your hand. Electrical safety, water safety, and mind safety, all equally important. Never give control of your mind in the hands of others. Be careful and always mind A, B, C. Because what happens, अर्थ नहीं है तो अनर्थ है. It is very simple in Hindi. अर्थ नहीं तो अनर्थ होगा. And how to avoid that unearth disaster? Give proper grounding system. Safety is very important. Safety should come first, not at the last. What happens when I think you are very much conversant about the fire triangles. Oxygen is there, heat is there, fuel is there, there will be fire. Similarly, that fire triangle is applicable for your success. You have passion, that is oxygen. Fuel is nothing, it is your guidance, mentor. Heat is nothing, it is ignition within you, your consistent effort. Then there will be fire, that is your success. Yes, there will be fire, that is your success. If you are working with passion, under proper guidance and with consistency, and you are grounded. When you are grounded, definitely you will get success. No one can stop it. Deepa ma'am, it is for you. Procrastination and laziness. Very good lecture. What I do? Next morning I will get up early. Next morning I will lose weight. Next morning I will reach in time. I will finish my book. I will finish my job. I will finish my cooking in time. I will do that, blah, blah, blah. But end of the day, that procrastination and laziness makes you end everything in zero. Sunidhi ma'am, your story. Vikram Betal. You know what is Vikram and Betal in our life? Vikram is ourself and Betal is our dream. We have to keep our Betal within our grip. But it may fly if you are doing procrastination. You will be again following your Betal. Again you will take kind of resolution. Again that will be on your shoulder. Again it will fly. Who is responsible? Myself. That Vikram Betal should be in your mind. Never allow that Betal, that is your dream objective, to fly. Keep it with you. The moment you start laziness and procrastination, it will fly. No one can stop. Not possible to keep to hold that baton on your shoulder. It is bound to happen. Anup sir, for you, the people are confused. How to make money? Crore, 1 crore, 2 crore, 5 crore. It is human being nature. We are inclined to. No one can stop. But your goal, your objective, your motive in your life should be very much clear. If you don't know what your exactly goal is, no use of doing anything. Never remain confused. Just get up. Start working in your direction. And never forget the BMW. Always say, hey God, bring me wisdom. I need that wisdom. Hey God, burn all my worries. Make me worry free. And God, please bless my work. Very important. Never think about these cars. These cars will automatically come. I will going to explain how. But always say God. BMW, BMW and BMW. You have to shift from push start to self start. Sahil sir, Rajput sir is pushing you hard. Do. They are removing that not. They are removing T. That is the basically tangible thickness. They are cutting it every day. So that you can say, I can do. And you will definitely do. That cutting is being every done. Subah ki chai, sham ki chai. Please respect your mentor. He is working hard to cut that knot. And start saying, I can. People say there is no role of psychophancy. It has. There are 3 types of working in our life. Hard working, smart working, and intelligent working. Hard working everyone knows. Smart working most of the people knows. But in my view, when you add ingredient of psychophancy in your smart working, that becomes intelligent working. I can give you very nice example. Suppose I am working under Rajput sir. Rajput sir, are you listening?
Yes, very much. I'm listening.
Okay.
Very
Okay.
much.
Now, day of appraisal come and file is with Rajput sir. Okay, I am Rajesh. I am not doing anything. And Rajput sir has already made the mind that this time Rajesh Hooda is not going to get any kind of appraisal. But Vipin is there, who is very obedient. He will get more appraisal, the best appraisal in the company. Now, what this intelligent working is being played by Rajesh Hooda. He is going to the cabin of Rajput sir. May I come in, sir? Yes, Rajesh. Please tell me. Sir, you have file of my appraisal. I know I have. Tell me, what have you done in that last year? I am sorry. What sorry? You expect me to change my mind to give you appraisal? It is not possible, dear. I am very sorry, sir. I know I have done nothing. Vipin has done many things. But there's something that hurts. What hurts you? They are doing working for your company. They are giving order. What happened? Leave it, sir. Leave it. It hurts because I love you from the core of my heart. It is different thing. I am not working. I could not work because of many reasons. But it hurts when people talk something bad about you. Who is saying? Vipin, I'm not saying everyone, because you are very, very rude. They say, but I know you are a very good person. Have a seat. Please have a seat. Tell me what people say about me. Please have a seat. No, sir. You have already made your mind. I don't want to influence your mind by saying anything. I am happy with my 10% appraisal this time. I am ordering coffee. Please have a seat. Just tell me, what is the problem with others? I am so rude. No, sir. But I love you. Only one request I want to make. You take that decision of my appraisal in the night. In the night, that file is with Rajput, sir. Twist happens. He start thinking. He loves me. Vipin is working for company. What to do? Here the psychophancy plays a role. He is not getting 10%. He will be getting 14% at least. I'm quite sure. Rajput, sir?
Yes.
It is not applicable for you. It is in general.
Correct. You are right.
This is a role.
Yes.
Always do the intelligent working also. काम करो, काम का फिक्र करो और उस फिक्र का जिक्र करो. Very, very important. Coming to Rajput's favorite subject, communication. That is also mine favorite. Very truly said by Rajput sir. He spent 5 sessions on that thing to make you understand what is the role of communication in your life. 7% is your content, tone plays 38, and 55% body language. Hats off, sir. Good thought, but I would like to add something with your permission.
Please, sir, please.
Apart from all these things, in everyday life, the phrases you use, the collocation you use makes a big difference. Do practice of that thing. Then you have to do tongue twister practice. BT bought a batter, the batter was bitter. To make this batter bitter better, he bought another batter to make this bitter better butter. Do such kind of practice. Then comes oxymoron. Oxymoron are very important kinds of communication when two opposite words are used all together. Seriously funny, found missing, Xerox, act naturally, pretty ugly, clearly misunderstood. And one on the lighter side, happily married, not applicable for Rajput sir. I always write RSR. What is the meaning of that? I always say RSR brand. Rajesh is there, Sahil sir is there, Rajput sir is there. Now you see the impact. I am 9, Sahil sir 7, Rajput sir 9. Total is 25. 2 plus 7 again 7. That means both are in the first side and the back side is giving impact of the middle one, Sahilji. That's why this RSR brand is very important. Very important. What is the summary? What I have learned in my life? Map. All the conflicts in your life, in the present time, in the history you see, is because of map. You know what is map? Money, attraction, affection, and power. And that is further subdivided by your caste, reasons, and religion. Yugesh sir was saying, I am from the Gorakhpur, and I said I am from the Sahil Kunj and Rajput Nagar. that matters. And the happiness of your life depends on HWCLP. What is HWCLP? You must have good wife, that Rajput sir have already shown. Good health, good wife, good children, then good luxury, then passion to achieve something. In the beginning, I emphasized on what role of parents, maa baap. Rajput sir, maa
Yes,
baap.
sir. Yeah. माँ बाप.
Yeah. And it never leaves you till your last breath.
Correct.
Correct? But here the meaning is different. Because what happens when you become adult, you may forget your parents, but that maa baap is with you always. You need money and you need attention always. You always be looking for the beauty, beautiful wife, beautiful husband, beautiful children, beautiful scenery, beautiful boss, beautiful company. And you always look for appreciation. I'm not getting like last video I put, and I got very good suggestion from Sugandhi ma'am. Don't depress. I never depress, ma'am, because I'm being the person. I also love that maa baap. You need appreciation and you need power. Very important part. Now, at the end, I am trying to conceptualize Mahabharat time about Sahil sir, this program 15 November to 15 December. The scene is like that. I used to play that play when I was in the school time, 7th standard, around 35 years back. And I would like to narrate in Hindi if you allow. साहिल सर, राजपूत सर, आज्ञा है?
Yes, please. मेरी तरफ से तो है. साहिल सर से पूछिए ना.
साहिल सर.
Yeah, Dr. साहब, you don't have to ask. आपको क्या लगता है अगर आप पूछोगे आज्ञा है तो हम क्या कहेंगे? पहले चलो ये बताओ.
तथास्तु बोलेंगे.
तथास्तु. यहाँ पर धृतराष्ट्र जी, संजय, you know Sanjay was the narrator of that Mahabharata happening at the Kurukshetra, and Vidur was his kind of mantri. Now, what that Dhritarashtra want to understand, Vidur, जी महाराज, सुना है कि अलीपुर रोड पे जो साहिल जी रहते हैं, उन्होंने एक प्रोग्राम स्टार्ट किया है 15 नवंबर से 15 दिसंबर, और तुम्हें मैंने बोला था जाके देख के आओ क्या हो रहा है और मुझे उसकी पूरी जानकारी दो. आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड, मुझे जानना है. संजय, तुम भी तैयार रहो, तुमसे भी पूछना चाहूंगा मैं. जी महाराज, पहले विदुर जी को बोलने दीजिए. महाराज, मैंने अपने सारे दूतों को भेजा. साहिल जी ने इस प्रोग्राम को शुरू किया जिसमें 212 लोग थे. घटते अब 46 पे आ गए हैं. अरे ये बताओ विदुर, क्या वो 46 कुछ कर रहे हैं? हाँ महाराज, सुबह उठते हैं, शाम को भी उठते हैं, मिलते हैं. अरे वो मूर्ख राजेश अरोड़ा क्या करता है? सब वो कभी भी महाराज सुबह नहीं उठा. वो शाम को गया कम्युनिकेशन की क्लास. तो क्या होता है महाराज, उसमें कम्युनिकेशन की प्रोक्रेस्टिनेशन की दीपा मैम बताती है. वो क्या करते हैं, वो मेरे सारे दूत वेट करते हैं कब सुगंधी मैम अपना वीडियो डालेगी. 6 मिनट उसी में बिजी रहते हैं. तो क्या लगता है कुछ होगा? अरे वो बार बोलती है एस्पिरेशनल. अरे उससे बोलो कि अब बन गई है वो. महाराज वो नहीं समझ पा रही. और क्या होता है, अनूप जी हैं, हीरो की बात करते हैं। अरे हीरो की बात मत करो, मेरा भी दिल ललचा जाता है। मूर्ख राजेश्वरा ने भी कुछ किया? हाँ सर जी महाराज, उन्होंने राजपूत सर के साथ कुछ अपना हिस्सा ले लिया है। मूर्ख है वो, 1 करोड़ गवा दिया उसने यहां भी। और क्या होता है वहां पर महाराज? सभी, सुख जी हैं, योगेश सर, सभी अपना अपना शाम को पूरी व्याख्या करते हैं। दीपा मैम, शिप्रा मैम, सुजीता मैम, उनसे पूरा रिपोर्ट कार्ड देती है। वो सब खुश है, हमने ये बहुत अचीव कर लिया, हमने बहुत। अरे तुम रहने दो वजूर, तुम्हारी बात पे भरोसा नहीं है। मुझे संजय को बुलाना पड़ेगा। संजय, तुम सहमत हो क्या विदुर से? तुम तो देख सकते हो यहां बैठे बैठे। महाराज मैं बिल्कुल भी सहमत नहीं हूं। क्यों? महाराज कोई कुछ नहीं कर रहा। आओ, तुम झूठ बोलते हो संजय, तुम झूठ बोलते हो। नहीं महाराज, सच बोल रहा हूं। जो कुछ कर रहा है तो सिर्फ ये 2 लोग कर रहे हैं, कृष्णा एंड बलराम, साहिल जी और पीकेआर सर। इन्होंने ही पुश कर रखा है। इनको हटा दे तो कुछ नहीं है उसमें। तो ये कृष्ण और बलराम, साहिल जी और पीकेआर से मैं कब मिलूंगा? अरे महाराज, हम आपको लेके जाएंगे साहिल कुंज में। दिसंबर को 2 दिन का वहां प्रोग्राम होने वाला है। वहां पे मड हाउस में रहना है। अरे मड हाउस में मैं कैसे रहूंगा? अरे महाराज, जो चीज नहीं होती उसको एंजॉय करना चाहिए। मड हाउस में रहेंगे तो आप भी सीखेंगे। अरे मैं मिलना चाहता हूँ, और मेरी भी टिकट बुक कराओ। टिकट बुक है सब, 29-30 आप वहीं पर ही रहेंगे। अरे कुंती को भी लेके जाना चाहता हूँ। अरे हाँ, पूरी फैमिली के साथ चलिए, कौन मना कर रहा है आपको? लेकिन मेरे यहाँ कुछ आशंकाएं हैं विदुर। अभी तो ये सब राम किशन बलराम कर रहे हैं, तो ये कब तक चलेगा? 15 दिसंबर के बाद क्या होगा इन सब लोगों का? महाराज, आपने कभी छोटे बच्चे को देखा है? जब उसको साइकिल दी जाती है तो उसके पहिए लगाए जाते हैं, पेरेंट्स उसके पीछे पीछे भागते हैं। वो पेरेंट्स हैं हमारे साहिल जी और राजपूत जी। लेकिन उन्हें मालूम नहीं चलता किसी बच्चे को, वो पेरेंट्स पीछे रह जाते हैं और बच्चा साइकिल चलाने लग जाता है। वही साइकिल चलेगी साहब, ये चलेगी, कोई रोक नहीं सकता। अब राजपूत सर धक्का लगाएं या ना लगाएं, they have already attained that level where they can get success. They can get success. They can get success. This is not the end, it's a beginning. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Awesome. 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 Mind blowing. Mind blowing. साहिल साहब, पहले तो कुछ आप बोलें, उसके बाद फिर मैं बोलता हूँ।
सर, थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर द अपॉर्चुनिटी। अभी कभी कभी होता है कि यू रियली फील कि क्या बोले यार।
हाँ, yes.
This was beautiful. This was beautiful the way you have put it, and I'm so sure that we all must have really gone to the next level. The way we were here at 8:41 and now at 9:36, and thank you so much for adding value to in our life. बाकी अभी धीरे धीरे हम सब शेयर करते हैं। बहुत कमाल। Over to you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you once again, साहिल साहब। और मैं तो लिखा था कि आई एम स्पीचलेस। बिफोर आई शुड समराइज द थिंग, मैं फिर से एक बार सबसे रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि टुमारो वी आर गोइंग टू हैव ए वेरी फैंटास्टिक सेशन, होलिस्टिक हेल्थ एंड पतंजलि योगा बाय आवर ओन soulmate सुरुचिता मैडम। So she has prepared so well. So I would request you कि कल भी आप 8:41 पे आएं और join करें, and let us enjoy the some newness and some more things which she is going to tell us and she is going to guide us. Now, I am mesmerized. डॉक्टर राजेश ने तो मतलब ऐसी ऐसी बातें दी हैं कि हर स्लाइड पे 2-2 घंटे 3-3 घंटे बात हो सकती है। आई एम श्योर यू ऑल विल एग्री, बट आई जस्ट वांट टू कंक्लूड इट। He so beautifully, he has started with the right man first. And then he came about the race versus grace, about the learner and learner experience. Then he said that be calm like a duck. Duck kitna paddle marti hai, but you are not able to see that how much paddling the duck is doing it. Then again, he came towards his own subject where he is a master of the being the electrical engineer, and how beautifully he has resonated the thing. He said, सबसे before to it, he said, सबसे बड़ा है रोग क्या कहेंगे लोग. So very nicely said कि लोगों की चिंता छोड़ो और अपने ऊपर काम करना शुरू करो. Then he also said about the volt, OHM and MPRH. He also resonated it very well that every day 30 people they died due to the electric current. But he made us aware that wherever we are in the life of many people, many people, we are able to see that many million people are getting killed in their mind because they are not respecting others. So we should inculcate that beautifulness of respecting others. It's very, very important. He also said very beautifully that spread happiness, don't hurt anyone. Then he came out about the part which is a short circuit. He said, come out which is inside us. Like the way we always take care of the short circuit now, ghar mein. If it is the short circuit, we will not be able to ignite the light in the home and many things will be disturbed. So same thing, it is there in our heart and mind that we should be taking care and we should be coming out from that. Then he also said about the electrocaution, which is that grounded part. If there is no electrocaution is there, then many people are getting died. He shown the beautiful picture of that also. And then said same thing it is required for us also. Being humans, being humble. Being humble is the basic thing which he said. Very nicely, he said about the human safety, right? Through his term, and then he has resonated in the actual terms of the common people. He said ABC, always be careful. Always be careful against ego, because ego kills us. Enemies, life, so many good things he has given example. So ABC is the very, very important thing for the life. Like the way I can say, when the small child start learning, the mother or the father or the teacher start with A, B, C, D. Same thing. Now we all have grown up. We have to have that ABC of the life very carefully, which we all people who are very matured, taking care of our family, taking care of our professional life, we must be taking care for that. Then he resonated very well that if something happens, then immediately you call the ambulance, because ambulance is a quick decision we take to the hospital. And same thing for us also, that to reach to your mentors, because whenever there is some problem, then you go to your mentors and you will be able to get the help, because the mentor, they understand you well and they can take you the right path. Because I can say this thing, that mentors with their total experience, they can guide you that which is the shortest way to reach to the right destination, because the mentors has already traveled to that destination in the hardest way. Then he shared about the patient feeling sad, and then he resonated with the analogy of the life. So if you are happy, then the life will be very beautiful and happy. Then he talked about the learner, win-win situation, success or experience. Very, very important point, he said. Then he resonated with that part with the electric shock, which is insulated so nobody can give you a shock. Then he said that, have you seen any elephant going? The dog keep on barking, but elephant will go with his mast chal. So be like that. Have a good insulation on yourself. People should say, but you are clear about your mind. You are positive about your mind. You are clear towards your goal. Nobody can stop you to achieve that particular goal with the same happiness. That he said about the lightning impact. So unforeseen circumstances, he said about the corona part, we know about it, but with this safety, washing hands, so many things are there which we all know about it. We are safe. With the grace of God, we all are safe. We are happily, our family is safe. So that part is also there. Then he talk about the charger part, because the wrong charger is going to disrupt the entire thing. Then at the same time, the right charger is going to make the things happy. They're going to give many positive things to us. He also said about the never overloading the mind. Don't flicker the mind. Don't keep on overloading unnecessary. The right things to be there in the mind so that we should achieve the things. The control of the mind is very important. He also said, Arth nahi to anarth hua. Right? Be in the ground level. Otherwise, it will be a disaster. So when we say the people who keep on flying, he will only keep on flying. Neither he will be there on the ground or neither he will be there in the sky. He will be there on the tree. So that is the same thing. Arth nahi to anarth nahi. Then he has given such a beautiful story of Vikram and Bethal. It is there in our side. We go and snatch it, but we are not able to control it properly. So procrastination and laziness example was beautiful. His beautiful video on BMW is again very awesome, which he called Burn All My Worries. And last but not the least, very beautifully, he has given example of communication toward the part, and then he said bitter, better, 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 bitter, better. To get bitter, better, better, better is required. So twisting of the word. So what he was spelling, I was just writing it down so that I can repeat it about the same thing. And the last but not the least, he has given a beautiful story of the mythology Mahabharata, because in Mahabharata, Sahil Sahab keeps on telling so many things. I have heard also, I have listened also one of the session. But there is lot many things are there in our own mythology where we can learn many things. And our every mythology, every of the thing, Grantha is full of so many things. So very well he has resonated the things, and I am sure, and I personally feel, this session was again one of the most awesome, most knowledgeable, most ground towards the session for everybody, and everybody would have gathered the knowledge. And I'm sure, nothing to say, Dr. Rajesh, nothing to fold your hand, because you have given us a lot of learning. Even I have learned, because I always feel there was some quotation was there which I was feeling it because I have to send some of the thing. I said that learning is there till the life is there. Till the last breath of the life, a person keeps on learning, because that learning always give you something better to become better person, better personality, to spread the happiness across, and you can add beautifulness in the other person's life. And it only happens with the learning and learning and learning. So with this, thank you so much, Rajeshji. I am highly obliged. We are highly obliged for a fantastic, nice session. That's why I say that you are a real learned person, very grounded person. So many things are there which you have learned and you have spread. So yesterday's session was awesome by Colonel Ajay Kotwal, जिसमें कि जोश आ गया हमारी रगों में, अभी भी वो जोश है. और आज की जो लर्निंग है वो इतनी हम्बल लर्निंग थी, और कल की सुरुचिता मैडम की जो लर्निंग होगी वो भी बहुत ही प्यारी होगी ऑन पतंजलि बेस. With this, thank you so much. I want to give to Shipra ma'am to please take it forward. Thank you. And again, Jai Hind, and once again giving me the opportunity, Sahil ji, to moderate this wonderful session. I feel blessed that I have been given this opportunity. Thank you so much. Over to Shipra ma'am.
Sahil sir, thank you very much.
वेलकम 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 डॉक्टर साहब, और थैंक यू तो हम सबका आपको है बेसिकली.
आपके लिए एक लाइन बोल सकता हूँ अगर आप अलाउ करें तो.
अब देख लो, पूछ रहे हो.
नहीं, आज्ञा चाहिए ना.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल है, मोस्ट वेलकम.
जी जी. It is about prayer to my mentor, my guru. I say, साहिल जी सबकी सेहत बना दो. It is about सेहत is mental health. सब कुछ तेरे पास. You have everything, whatever we want. दूध मलाई माखन दे दो. We give me wisdom, blessings, courage. Show me the right path. ऐ मेरी अरदास है. This is my prayer. This is my prayer. And for Rajput sir.
Yes, sir.
It is for you, second paragraph.
Yeah, please, sir.
आपकी जो आपका स्टेटस है वैसा हमें मिल जाए. एक मन में इच्छा उसी को लेके है. पैदल चल चल थक गए हैं, दे दो हमको कार. हेलीकॉप्टर भी दोगे तो नहीं है वो इनकार. फाइनली साहिल जी, साहिल सर सबकी सेहत बना दो. We need your blessings. Kindly give us good preaching so that we can move towards our goal. You are great. Hats off. Thank you once again. Thank you very much. Sadguru sabki sehat bana do. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Saab. Thank you so much. Shipra ma'am, I am waiting. Please have it. Please have the session to take it forward.
Yes, Pramod sir. Thank you so much, first of all. Thank you to all the audience, first of all. और yes, सबसे पहले तो डॉक्टर राजेश मेरे पास ज़्यादा नहीं है, बट मैं सिर्फ एक ही चीज़ कहूँगी. आपने शुरुआत में एक बात बोली थी कि आप इलेक्ट्रॉनिक बैकग्राउंड से हो, और मैं ये कहूँगी कि आज की जो प्रेजेंटेशन थी वो भी पूरी इलेक्ट्रीफाइंग थी. सो दिस वाज रियली अ वंडरफुल. मुझे बहुत सारी चीज़ें बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छी लगी. आपने एक एक लेसन को समझाने का जो तरीका आज चुना था ना, दैट वाज ऑल अमेजिंग. इतने डिफरेंट एग्जांपल्स के साथ उनकी डिफरेंट एक्सप्लेनेशन एंड एनालॉजीज यू हैव शेयर, दैट वाज ऑल मेस्मराइजिंग। एंड शायद वही एक रीजन है कि हम 8:40 से एकदम बंध के बैठे हैं आपके साथ, और अभी इट्स 9:50 ऑलरेडी, राइट? सो दिस वाज रियली अ मेस्मराइजिंग and very informative learning presentation. So thank you so much for sharing all your wisdom with all of us. And I though really felt like privileged and blessed. और राजपूत सर, आपके लिए
Yes,
मैं
ma'am.
बस एक ही चीज कहूंगी कि आपका जो एंथू है ना, आप जिस तरीके से समा बांधते हैं, इंट्रोड्यूस करते हैं विदाउट मिसिंग एनीबडीज नेम, विदाउट मिसिंग एनीबडी, सो बहुत 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 ही ज्यादा कमाल है। और साथ ही साथ आपने डॉक्टर राजेश सर की एक एक लर्निंग को कितने प्यार से, ब्यूटीफुल तरीके से सारे पॉइंट्स शेयर किए स्टार्टिंग से फिनिश तक। सो दैट वाज रियली मेस्मराइजिंग अगेन। मतलब एक रिवीजन इतना क्विक हो जाता है कि आप कोई पॉइंट भूल नहीं सकता। सो दिस इज रियली वंडरफुल।
मैम,
सो मच फॉर बीइंग देयर।
मैम,
यस डॉक्टर राजेश।
वो धृतराष्ट्र तो कुंती का एक टिकट बुक करा दीजिएगा।
यस, आपने अच्छा याद दिलाया। मतलब दैट वाज आल्सो अ वेरी फन पार्ट, जिस तरीके से आपने प्रेजेंटेशन को फिनिश किया। महाभारत का एक पहली महाभारत तो जो साहिल सर शेयर करते हैं ना, मुझे वो बहुत ज्यादा पसंद है। आज दूसरी महाभारत मुझे बहुत पसंद आई है जो आपने एक्सप्लेन की है। सो दैट इज रियली कमेंडेबल। और आपकी एक और क्वालिटी मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगी, आपने पूरी प्रेजेंटेशन में हमारे पूरे ग्रुप में सभी का नाम लेके हर किसी की पर्सनालिटी को किसी ना किसी चीज के साथ जोड़ा। तो दैट वाज आल्सो मतलब तारीफ काबिल। थैंक यू सो मच वंस अगेन। एंड बिफोर आई मूव फॉरवर्ड, यस सुजीता, जैसे कि कल हम सभी आने वाले हैं, एक बार फिर से जुड़ने वाले हैं, क्योंकि कल की हमारी जो स्पीकर है वो बहुत ही स्पेशल है, राइट? और ये जो हमारी स्पीकर है जो हमारे साथ शेयर करने वाली हैं, वो भी बहुत कमाल की चीजें हैं। सो मैं आप सभी लोगों को कल के लिए भी इनवाइट करना चाहूंगी। सो प्लीज बी देयर ऑन टाइम। बट अभी हम खत्म नहीं कर रहे हैं, क्लोजिंग अभी बाकी है, क्योंकि आप लोगों के सबके Q&As हैं। किसी को कोई क्लैरिटी चाहिए, किसी को वो कॉम्प्लीमेंट करना है, या किसी को कोई भी सवाल हो, तो प्लीज अपना नाम चैट बॉक्स में लिखें। और सृजिता इज टेकिंग, यहाँ से आगे सृजिता इज टेकिंग, और आप लोगों का नाम एक एक करके बुलाया जाएगा, एंड देन यू कैन शेयर व्हाट यू वांट टू से। सो थैंक यू सो मच once again, and over to Srijita.
Thank you, Shipra. I would like to call Mr. Ajay Kotwal ji to have a few words.
Hello, Rajesh ji, namaskar, and good evening to all the participants here. आप मतलब कमाल कर दिया आपने, the way you dressed up, the confidence and the originality in content actually. उधर से ही मेरे ख्याल सारी शुरुआत हुई, तो ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं बोलूँगा, वो प्रमोद सर ने और शिप्रा जी ने कवर कर दिया है। एंड आई थिंक वो जो गूगलिंग वाला एक पार्ट होता है ना, जिसमें वो लोग गूगल में घुस जाते हैं, वो आपने नहीं किया बिल्कुल भी। एंड लाइक शिप्रा जी सेड, इट वाज कंप्लीटली इलेक्ट्रीफाइंग एंड यू कनेक्टेड बोथ life engineering and electrical engineering so well. It was a great blend.
And the credit goes to you because you made my 2 nights sleepless.
हमारे लिए एक हफ्ता हो गया वो, और मैं वेट कर रहा था कि आप शायद कुछ गाना भी गाओगे। आपने ड्रामा सिखाया हमें, इंग्लिश हिंदी सब कुछ था, एक सिंगिंग थी।
हाँ, वो भी साहिल जी के लिए कर देता हूँ। मैं ऐसे गाता नहीं हूँ, लेकिन 2 लाइनें जरूर बोलूंगा आज। सांसों की माला से सिमरू मैं तेरा नाम, तेरा नाम, तेरा नाम। थैंक यू।
क्या बात है।
सो नाइस, सो नाइस। और बहुत ही बढ़िया आपने जुगलबंदी की, कुछ लोगों की पोल भी खोली थोड़ी थोड़ी, तो दैट वाज वेरी सटल एंड नाइस।
पोल नहीं खोल, उनको इग्नाइट किया। उनको इग्नाइट किया है। और शिप्रा मैम ने तो मुझे इग्नाइट कर दिया। मैं सोच रहा हूँ उसके बाद एक कहीं जो है जाकर के आरजे का रोल थोड़ा बहुत कर लेता हूँ। मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है, कुछ ऐसा मोटिवेट कर दिया शिप्रा मैम ने कि माय गॉड, मैं जा रहा सोच रहा हूँ कल जाके किसी रेडियो उस पे जाकर के जॉकी बन करके थोड़ा इंटरव्यू देख
नहीं
रहा
नहीं,
हूँ।
मैंने सर प्रमोद सर वो जो साइकोफेंसी वाला इसलिए बताया था कि अगर आप दिल्ली में कोई मार्केटिंग एजेंसी हायर करेंगे तो मुझे कर लीजिएगा, आई एम ए गुड प्रमोटर।
अरे सर दिल्ली की क्या बात करें, पूरी एशिया की बात करो ना आप, और क्या, आप तो एशिया के लिए है। क्या बात छोटे कर दी सर आपने, बताओ।
So wish you well. Others are also waiting, I think. Thank you very much, Rajesh ji. Wonderful experience. So kind of you. Thank you. Wish you a great life.
Thank you, sir.
ये सोचा मैं, आप म्यूट पे हो, आप म्यूट पे हो।
Deepa, can I have few words from you?
Jai Hind everyone. Jai Hind sir, Sahil sir. डॉक्टर साहब मजा आ गया। इट वॉज लाइक अ रोलर कोस्टर राइड। ऐसा लग रहा था मैं किसी अम्यूजमेंट पार्क में हूँ और जबरदस्त रोलर कोस्टर हो गया, और उसके बाद में जो थ्रिल होता है ना, दैट इज स्टिल देयर। अमेजिंग इट वॉज। मतलब आई हैव लाइक I cannot say how thrilled I am still.
Actually, I was trying to play role of Joker. I am मूर्ख।
बिल्कुल नहीं सर, एक्चुअली आपने BMW किया। Actually,
नहीं, it was my MB, mind blowing and mind boggling.
That also. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Very well said, Deepa. Can I have Hitesh ji, please?
Hello, good evening, everyone. So it was amazing. I have seen many technical presentations of Rajesh sir, but this was my first motivational presentation from Rajesh sir, and it was amazing, mesmerizing. My mind has been blown off now. So thank you, sir.
Thank you, Hitesh, for making good slides. Thank you very much.
Sorry, sir. I am happy to see the implementation of this and how it has been presented in front of everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Murthy Saab is there. He is like my mentor, and I would like to invite Murthy Saab, if you are here, please. Kindly unmute.
This is KK Murthy. सुनाई दे रहा है राजेश साहब?
हाँ, बिल्कुल।
डॉक्टर साहब सुनाई दे रहा है? जी। मैं तो ये कहूँगा, मेरा सौभाग्य है कि मैं राजेश सर से जुड़ा हुआ हूँ। हालांकि उम्र में बहुत फर्क है, बट मैं भी आई एम ऑल्सो ए लर्नर। मैं भी उनसे काफी कुछ सीखा मैंने, और जैसा कि उन्होंने कहा है कि वन हैज टू बी ग्राउंडेड, तो आई एम विथ हिम इन many of this webinars, and I feel proud the way he starts the webinar by taking my name. I am a simple person. I am a very average professional. But yes, the way he takes my name, so I feel really proud. Though I don't deserve it, but yes, he has that respect for me. And may God bless him with all that what he desires and deserves. And it was a wonderful presentation. In fact, I would tell every invitee and the host of this particular forum that wherever he goes, he steals the सबके जो है क्या कहना चाहिए उसको, सबका अट्रैक्शन ये स्टील कर लेते हैं, इतना बढ़िया बोलते हैं. And he has got that knack of speaking, knack of presenting papers, and of all this thing, he has started one group also that is known as Igniting Power Engineers. And as on today, you will believe there may be as many as almost, I think, 600 members from all over the country as well as from abroad. That's a great achievement. And one day I have been telling him, one day you will be known in the world and at a global level. And I would like to see him at that particular level. With this, I wish him all the best.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. No words, speechless. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mohanty, and you're very humble and grounded, just like Rajesh ji presented. So I think Rajesh ji, if you have any guests of yours, you can please invite them.
Actually,
I'm happy that Rajesh ji has invited me, and I could get opportunity to speak to all of you about this great person, Dr. Rajesh Arora. And I tell you, he is always helpful to all of us. And in my life, of course, we have not been known each other since long. Only I think 1 year or 1.5 years only we have come to know each other. But then this 1 and 1.5 years are such. Give such feeling that we know each other since last 1.5 decades. So that's a great thing, and I myself have experienced the way he helped me. I need not express. Yes,
sir, sir, it is very important to mention here that I came in contact with Sahil ji and Rajput sir only 2 months back, and I made a brand RSR.
That's very good, wonderful. So that is all. You have got that knack, inborn knack, I would say.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. May God bless you.
Thank you very much.
Sujita ma'am.
Yeah, Pramod ji, boliye.
Okay, so first of all, thank my colleague who have also joined us, and now couple of people they started leaving. अभी जाने से पहले एक छोटी सी चीज मैंने कहीं पढ़ी थी, तो बस I'll take 1.5 minutes to just read it, and it is for everybody, and I feel that for us also. कुछ लोग तुम्हें समझाएंगे, वो तुमको खौफ दिलाएंगे, खौफ मीन्स डर दिलाएंगे. कुछ यहाँ हो सकता है, तुम जिस लम्हे में जिंदा हो, जो है वो भी खो सकता है. Means they will say that whatever it is there, you are going to leave it because it will not be there with you. इस राह में रहजन हैं बहुत, रहजन मतलब रॉबर्ट्स हैं बहुत. कुछ और यहाँ हो सकता है, anything can happen here. कुछ और तो अक्सर होता है, यहाँ तो होता ही रहता है. People they keep on telling यहाँ तो होता ही रहता है, पर तुम इस लम्हे में जिंदा हो. But you are there in this particular moment. ये लम्हा, लेकिन ये लम्हा तुम्ही से जिंदा है. ये वक्त फिर नहीं आएगा, तुम अभी कर गुजरो, आगे बढ़ो, जो होगा देखा जाएगा और अच्छा होगा. This is dedicated to Rajesh ji on his beautiful presentation. Thank you. All yours now.
So do we have anybody coming up to compliment Mr. Rajesh ji?
Yeah.
Or
Sir,
have any questions?
can you give me a chance? I am Jagdish from Coimbatore.
Yeah,
Jagdish.
please.
So good evening, sir. Dr. Rajesh, sir, you have hypnotized everybody. You are not only a hypnotist, but also a mover and shaker. Now we feel bonded.
Thank you.
It was so motivating. That's why I mentioned the chat. Yesterday and today, it was the knowledge feast and festival.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
To be frank, I have taken screenshot some of your quotes to mention in my good morning message.
Sir, I will share the slides. Don't worry about it. It is for yours only.
Yeah, I have taken the screenshot.
I invented nothing. I discovered all through my journey from R&D. Learn it to learner.
Yeah. Fantastic, sir. Thanks a lot, sir. And also thanks to our Master Blaster, Rajput, sir. And also to Ajay Kotwal, sir. And to all the esteemed panelists.
Thank you. Thank you.
Sir, I have one doubt, sir. I have one doubt mainly. You mentioned as RSR. What is the value 9 plus 7 plus 9, sir?
9th is my birthday, 7th is the Sahil sir, and again 9th is the date of birth of Rajput sir. When we put together 25, then again I did 7. Ultimately, the impact is 7. Sahil sir.
No, sir, not clear, sir. I am not able to get it.
Okay, I'll tell you. See, it is a number which is numerology part. He has put the thing. So in the numerology, the 9 number is of Dr. Rajesh because his birthday is on 9th. Right. And Sahil Saab's birthday is on 7th December. Mine, you know very well, that is on 9th of December.
Yeah,
so 9th of April. Right. So put together, if you add it, it comes 25. And 2 plus 5 is 7. So 7 is in between. Right. And the 7th birthday is on Mr. Sahil. So that's what he has want to resonate. That's a beautiful way he resonate. And that's why I mentioned that the person who is second lieutenant to Sahil Sahab, Shipra ma'am, उनका 10th को है.
And I will talk about that 10th on the presentation of Shipra ma'am.
Thank you, sir.
I think on this note, we can conclude the session.
Thank you. Thank
Already
you.
10. So if anyone is there, like who would like to come forward, please do.
Yeah, I'm Kamlesh Pandey from Mumbai. So first time attending this training program of yours. So actually, I am also from electrical engineering background. So I know very well the importance of grounding of electrical distribution system. So today, Rajesh sir has really very well connected live grounding with the electrical system grounding. It is an amazing presentation. Thank you very much, Mr. Rajesh.
Thank you. Thank you very much for words of appreciation, because we need Ma Baap.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Rajesh, for the wonderful session. I am Virender here.
Yeah.
So,
And basically, sir, I dedicated that poem phrase.
Hello.
जी आपका वॉइस सुनाई नहीं दे रहा.
छोटू जो सुबह दिन में सब कुछ करता है.
अच्छा.
हेलो. Are you?
आवाज नहीं आ रही. आवाज नहीं आ रही.
Yes, got it. छोटू जो सब कुछ करता है. For that, there is the poem for that. यही कहना चाह रहे हैं ना राजेश जी?
Virendra, you are not audible.
I am not audible.
Yeah,
Yes.
Can you be a little louder?
He said that poem was dedicated to for the छोटू जो सुबह सब कुछ करता है.
हाँ हाँ बिल्कुल उसी से लिया था मैंने.
अच्छा उसी से लिया. ठीक है ठीक. Thank you for that.
Thank you.
Because I am a learner, I keep on learning.
Okay.
Mute. You are on mute.
Thank you so much, Virendra ji. So,
Thank you.
Pramuji, I think we can conclude, I guess.
Yes.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you very much. Sahil sir, thank you very much.
So I thank Mr. Rajesh Adoraji sir for a wonderful presentation. So it has so much to learn with such a synchronization with his electrical knowledge, with this life experiences together, clubbed together is an analogy that we have got, and a lot of life examples and role plays, a lot of things to learn from you as a public speaker, as well as your own, knowledge that you have been sharing to us. Thank you so much for a wonderful presentation. So we have a lot to ponder our thoughts into what you have presented. And Pramodji, thank you so much for taking out time and being the moderator in spite of your busy schedule. And I thank every one of you here who have been part of the program and making it a worthwhile presentation and worthwhile learning. Thank you so much. Good night. And just like Sai sir keep saying, have a great day.
Srujita, before good night. Srujita, before the good night, thank you so much for creating this tsunami in the last 2 days, starting from Colonel Saib to Dr. Rajesh. And definitely, Pramod Saab is there as a moderator, amazing moderator. मुझे लग रहा है हम एक रेडियो चैनल स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं 50+ वालों का. अपना एक अलग चैनल बनाएंगे, अपने रोमांस के अपने गाने सुनेंगे और सुनाएंगे. And everybody, I would love everybody, I request everybody to make some noise for Srujita and her sincere efforts, and especially for her beautiful jhumkas. Over to you, Srujita and everybody. Good night.
Good night.
Wow.
Make some noise.
So much, Srujita.
Thank you so much, Sai, for being our mentor. So we are privileged to be under your guidance. So thank you so much.
Last वाला बोलो.
कैसा?
Last वाला बोलो. अभी तो रुक गया. अभी कहते thank you.
So have a great day. Have a great
15 अगस्त को 26 जनवरी को.
नहीं, उसके पहले कुछ और है. उसके पहले कुछ और है. 180 जो दिख रहा है सामने. हाँ, वो बोलिए.
Have a 180-degree smile that I've learned from Sahil sir. Keep smiling, keep growing, keep learning. And I think like Rajesh sir, you would like to conclude with Deshbhakti.
Yes.
Yeah, please go ahead.
15 अगस्त को 26 जनवरी को गाने गाने से देशभक्ति शायद आ भी जाए, परंतु साहिल साहब को याद किए बिना कुछ नहीं हो सकता। थैंक यू।
अपनी क्षमताओं को बढ़ाने से ही हमें आगे बढ़ना है, which is very very important. That is the real देशभक्ति for everybody. Thank you. Jai Hind. Good night. See you tomorrow.
Jai Hind.
Jai Hind everyone. Thank you.
जय हिंद जय हिंद।